There. Practice of there. We will practice all three tenses in present, past and future. वहाँ एक पेड़ है. There is a tree. There is a tree. वहाँ दो कुत्ते हैं. There are two dogs. There are two dogs. वहाँ बहुत शोर है. There is a lot of noise. There is a lot of noise. वहाँ बहुत सारी किताबें हैं. There are many books. There are many books. वहाँ एक स्कूल है. There is a school. There is a school. वहाँ एक बाजार है. There is a market. There is a market. वहाँ एक बड़ा घर है. There is a big house. There is a big house. वहाँ कुछ लोग हैं. There are some people. There are some people. वहाँ एक पार्क है. There is a park. There is a park. वहाँ कोई समस्या नहीं है. There is no problem. There is no problem. वहाँ एक मेला लग रहा है. There is a fair going on. There is a fair going on. वहाँ लोग खेल रहे हैं. There are people playing. There are people playing. वहाँ एक निर्माण कार्य हो रहा है. There is construction happening. There is construction happening. वहाँ बच्चे गा रहे हैं. There are children singing. There are children singing. वहाँ बारिश हो रही है. There is rain falling. There is rain falling. वहाँ बहुत भीड़ हो रही है. There is a lot of crowd gathering. There is a lot of crowd gathering. वहाँ एक नई दुकान खुल रही है. There is a new shop opening. There is a new shop opening. वहाँ लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं. There are people waiting. There are people waiting. वहाँ एक प्रदर्शन चल रहा है. There is a protest going on. There is a protest going on. वहाँ यातायात बहुत धीमा हो रहा है. There is heavy traffic slowing down. There is heavy traffic slowing down. वहाँ एक नया स्कूल खुल चुका है. There has been a new school opened. There has been a new school opened. वहाँ बहुत बदलाव हुए हैं. There have been many changes. There have been many changes. वहाँ एक दुर्घटना हो चुकी है. There has been an accident. There has been an accident. वहाँ कई लोग आ चुके हैं. There have been many people who arrived. There have been many people who arrived. वहाँ कोई नई समस्या आ गई है. There has been a new problem. There has been a new problem. वहाँ बारिश हो चुकी है. There has been rain. There has been rain. वहाँ एक नई इमारत बन चुकी है. There has been a new building constructed. There has been a new building constructed. वहाँ कुछ नए कर्मचारी आ चुके हैं. There have been some new employees hired. There have been some new employees hired. वहाँ बहुत सुधार हुआ है. There has been a lot of improvement. There has been a lot of improvement. वहाँ नई सड़क बन चुकी है. There has been a new road built. There has been a new road built. वहाँ एक मंदिर था. There was a temple. There was a temple. वहाँ बहुत भीड़ थी. There was a lot of crowd. There was a lot of crowd. वहाँ दो कारें थी. There were two cars. There were two cars. वहाँ एक पार्टी थी. There was a party. There was a party. वहाँ बहुत सारे लोग थे. There were many people. There were many people. वहाँ एक स्कूल हुआ करता था. There used to be school. There used to be school. वहाँ एक पुराना घर था. There was an old house. There was an old house. वहाँ कई दुकानें थी. There were several shops. There were several shops. वहाँ बारिश हुई थी. There was rain. There was rain. वहाँ एक समस्या थी. There was a problem. There was a problem. वहाँ एक निर्माण कार्य हो रहा था. There was a construction going on. There was a construction going on. वहाँ बच्चे खेल रहे थे. There were children playing. There were children playing. वहाँ एक बड़ा विवाद चल रहा था. There was big argument going on. There was big argument going on. वहाँ बहुत ठंड हो रही थी. There was extreme cold weather. There was extreme cold weather. वहाँ एक बड़ा जलसा हो रहा था. There was a grand celebration happening. There was a grand celebration happening. वहाँ बहुत सारे पक्षी उड़ रहे थे. There were many birds flying. There were many birds flying. वहाँ एक ट्रेन रुक रही थी. There was train stopping. There was train stopping. वहाँ कुछ लोग इंतजार कर रहे थे. There were some people waiting. There were some people waiting. वहाँ तेज हवा चल रही थी. There was strong wind blowing. There was strong wind blowing. वहाँ नए मकान बन रहे थे. There were new houses being built. There were new houses being built. वहाँ पहले एक बाजार था. There had been a market before. There had been a market before. वहाँ बहुत बारिश हो चुकी थी. There had been heavy rain. There had been heavy rain. वहाँ एक दुर्घटना हो चुकी थी. There had been an accident. There had been an accident. वहाँ पहले एक पुराना स्कूल था. There had been an old school. There had been an old school. वहाँ कई बदलाव हो चुके थे. There had been many changes. There had been many changes. वहाँ पहले कई दुकानें थी. There had been several shops before. There had been several shops before. वहाँ पहले कोई घर नहीं था. There had been no house before. There had been no house before. वहाँ बहुत समस्याएं हो चुकी थी. There had been many problems. There had been many problems. वहाँ पहले एक गुफा थी. There had been a cave. There had been a cave. वहाँ पहले एक गांव था. There had been a village. There had been a village. वहाँ एक नया अस्पताल होगा. There will be new hospital. There will be new hospital. वहाँ बहुत सारी गाड़ियाँ होंगी. There will be many cars. There will be many cars. वहाँ एक बड़ा स्टेडियम होगा. There will be big stadium. There will be big stadium. वहाँ एक समस्या होगी. There will be problem. There will be problem. वहाँ कई नई इमारतें होंगी. There will be many new buildings. There will be many new buildings. वहाँ एक बड़ा मेला लगेगा. There will be big fair. There will be big fair. वहाँ कुछ बदलाव होंगे. There will be some changes. There will be some changes. वहाँ एक नई सड़क बनेगी. There will be a new road. There will be a new road. वहाँ बहुत सारे लोग होंगे. There will be many people. There will be many people. वहाँ एक सुंदर बगीचा होगा. There will be beautiful garden. There will be beautiful garden. वहाँ एक नया निर्माण कार्य चल रहा होगा। There will be construction going on. There will be construction going on. वहाँ लोग खरीदारी कर रहे होंगे। There will be people shopping. There will be people shopping. वहाँ एक बड़ा जलसा हो रहा होगा। There will be big celebration happening. There will be big celebration happening. वहाँ बारिश हो रही होगी। There will be rain falling. There will be rain falling. वहाँ नए मकान बन रहे होंगे। There will be new houses being built. There will be new houses being built. वहाँ एक नया पुल बन चुका होगा। There will have been a new bridge built. There will have been a new bridge built. वहाँ बहुत बदलाव हो चुके होंगे। There will have been many changes. There will have been many changes. वहाँ एक नया स्कूल खुल चुका होगा। There will have been a new school opened. There will have been a new school opened. वहाँ कई नई दुकानें खुल चुकी होंगी। There will have been many new shops opened. There will have been many new shops opened. वहाँ एक बड़ा अस्पताल बन चुका होगा। There will have been big hospital constructed. There will have been big hospital constructed. Practice grow your English. Please subscribe, like and share this channel. All the topics for your English practice will be available to you.